Hello guys, my name is Joseph Paul. Guys, I am blogger, I am TikToker, and I am gamer. And guys, may alam ako ng bago ng games. Super legit ni guys. And makash out mo to PayPal and to Gcash. And guys, muna yung games ko. Super legit guys, and bago na games. Bagong bago. And super guys na legit. Muna yung apps ni guys. Open ko ang apps ni. And guys, super legit guys. Super bago na games. Guys, hinayon na volume ni guys kasi video tunog ni. And super legit na guys. Muna yung games ko guys. Meron ka ng diamond guys. Ang diamonds guys, medyo ma-pay out ng games. Yan guys. Yan lang. Kita mo guys, ang pay out. Ang PayPal ay $3,001. And 1,600,000 may naka $5 and 3,300 diamonds. And guys, lang. Ito, open na guys ang lang. Guys, alright guys, ay guys, ito lang guys, wait. Ay guys, sorry ako na. Yeah. Kita mo guys, muna yung pay out po Gcash to PayPal guys. Kung saan ako guys sa Gcash naman guys. PayPal, Gcash, yes. Wala guys, ito okay na. Okay, may Gcash na guys. 10,000 meron ka ng 20, 58,000, 100,100 Gcash. And kung 1,600 298 and 3,300 2,000,000 basta meron ka ng 20 diamonds. Meron ka 500 to 1,088 sa Gcash. Guys, munang game ay super legit guys. Dalang laruin tayo. Muna ang zombie train. Guys, inukala is white. Yan guys, munang laruin games battle. Yan. Easy na guys, easy na games. Yan guys, super legit guys. And yan, tap talaga, tap. Kung papatay ka ni guys, ay pagkatara po. Okay, dali lang, wait. Yan. Guys, super legit na guys. Pwede mo cash out PayPal to Gcash guys. Tap lang, tap. Oh shit. Manta ko ng give ad ng diamond. Ito lang guys, is white tap no copyright. Guys, alright guys, so next na. Yan guys, tapos next was guys. Yan. Yan, kita mo guys sa guys. Super legit na guys. And kung makita mo na ang video sa link sa comment ko, tumukon mo na lang guys. Tapos i-click ka sa Play Store para na laruin mo ni. And super legit guys. And guys, pwede ka ma-check-in ng days 1, days 2, days 3, hasta day 7, 100 diamond ka na. And guys, swipe dalawat guys. And thank you guys sa mga suporta sa akong channel. And guys, ma-shoutout na guys. Shoutout ko si Genesis, shoutout si B-Boy, shoutout ang mga upload ko sa mga opera ko sa dati yun sa test. Shoutout si Green, shoutout si Emily, shoutout si Rona, and sa mga friends, sa mga basher ko shoutout shoutout ko si Bernard. And guys, shoutout ko si Tita Celine. And today, muna ako super legit guys. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share, comment.